Hi everyone! We hope you're having a wonderful school holiday break and welcome to City of Ryde Libraries craft video. My name is Wendy and today I'll be showing you how to make a picnic basket, and it's really cute, really adorable. So you could go to any of the City of Ryde Libraries to pick up a craft pack. In here you'll have everything you need. We're gonna start by doing some coloring. Now, what colors are usually a picnic basket? Brown? Yellow? But for this one, I want you to make it as colorful as you can. So I think I'm gonna start with, how about let's start with green. Okay, so now we're gonna get ready for our cutting. We do need a pair of scissors for this bit. Now, if you do need some help, you can go grab your parent or your guardian that could help you with cutting, because we gotta be very, very, very careful with our scissors, okay? First, how about we're gonna cut our picnic basket out. Now you see all these lines around the outside, so we're gonna be cutting along the outside of the basket. Now you see these dotted lines on the inside, we're not gonna be cutting those, okay? We have our picnic basket layout. Alright, for the next bit, it's gonna get a little bit tricky, but I know we can do it. Now look, so you see these dotted lines along here? We're gonna be cutting along this line, so this line, and we're gonna stop at the dotted line. Alright, we're not gonna go over the dotted line, we're just gonna stop right here. And we're gonna stop at the dot. Look at that! Wow, well done everyone. Alright, now that that's all finished and all cut, and this is all separate, we're gonna be folding these little tabs into the dotted line, okay? It's gonna help us form the shape of that basket. Alright, so very carefully, one by one, we're gonna fold it into the dotted line. Alright, so now that we have already folded them both ways like this, and the other side, we're gonna flip it to the back side now. Okay, and this is what's gonna give us that basket shape. So you see these tabs that's here? So there's a long one and two shorter ones. We're gonna be joining them together with our glue stick. Okay, so we're gonna put some glue on there and then to stick them together. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it up like this. So the shorter one joins with the shorter one. This. Shorter one joins with the shorter one, the middle one joins with the middle one, and the top one joins with the top one like this. So once we stick them together, it's gonna give that nice shape of the basket where you can put things inside. Okay, now let's put some glue on here so that it sticks. have our basket. And now, the last bit of the picnic basket, we need a handle. So remember our orange handle from earlier? We're gonna put it right inside of the basket, right where the triangle is. So we're gonna put it in the middle, but we're gonna put some glue on your color side. Look at that, you made a little basket. All right, okay, just quickly, because we have the food that we have colored in already, we're gonna cut out some food. We just be very careful with your scissors. We're gonna cut out the food. Well done, that's amazing. Amazing that you were able to make something like this. I'm sure it's so beautiful and so great, and I would love to see them if you do end up making this little basket. Thank you all so much for joining me in making this little basket. Thank you. Bye.